Evaluate A choose B for the given values of A and B without a calculator. Number 1, we have A equals 7 and B equals 7. There are 3 common ways to write a combination. We can write 7 choose 7 in either of these 3 common ways. In either case, to evaluate 7 choose 7, we use the formula n choose r equals n factorial divided by the product of r factorial and n minus r factorial, which indicates 7 choose 7 is equal to 7 factorial divided by the product of 7 factorial and 7 minus 7 factorial. Simplifying, we have 7 factorial divided by the product of 7 factorial and 0 factorial. 0 factorial is equal to 1, and therefore we have 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial, which we shouldn't have to expand. 7 factorial divided by itself is equal to 1. 7 choose 7 indicates how many ways we can choose 7 items from 7 when the order doesn't matter, which hopefully makes sense. There's only one way to do so. Number 2, we have A equals 6 and B equals 0, which is 6 choose 0, which again can be written in any of these common ways. Which is equal to 6 factorial divided by the product of 0 factorial and 6 minus 0 factorial, which equals 6 factorial divided by, again, 0 factorial is equal to 1, giving us a denominator of 1 times 6 factorial, or just 6 factorial. And once again, 6 factorial divided by itself is equal to 1. 6 choose 0 is a number of ways we can choose 0 items from 6 when order doesn't matter. And there's only one way to choose 0 items from 6. Number 3, we have A equals 5 and B equals 1, which again can be written in either of these 3 common ways. Five choose 1 is equal to 5 factorial divided by the product of 1 factorial and 5 minus 1 factorial. Simplifying, we have 5 factorial divided by the product of 1 factorial and 4 factorial. To simplify here, we will expand. 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 1 factorial is equal to 1. And 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Simplifying, 4 divided by 4 simplifies to 1, and so does 3 divided by 3, 2 divided by 2, and 1 divided by 1. Simplifying, 5 choose 1 equals 5. 5 choose 1 is a number of ways we can choose 1 item from 5 when order doesn't matter, but of course when selecting 1 item, there is no real order. And finally, for number 4, we have 8 choose 6. Which is equal to 8 factorial divided by the product of 6 factorial and 8 minus 6 factorial. Simplifying, we have 8 factorial divided by the product of 6 factorial and 2 factorial. Let's simplify. Instead of writing out all the factors of 8 factorial, let's write 8 factorial as 8 times 7 times the remaining factors would be 6 factorial, and then divided by 6 factorial, and then we'll expand 2 factorial, which is equal to 2 times 1. Notice by writing 8 factorial as 8 times 7 times 6 factorial, we cut down on the amount of work we have to show, and 6 factorial divided by itself simplifies to 1, and also notice 8 and 2 share a common factor of 2. The 2 simplifies to 1, the 8 simplifies to 4, and we're left with 4 times 7, which is 28. 8 choose 6 indicates how many ways we can choose 6 items from 8 when the order doesn't matter, and this can be done 28 ways. I hope you found this helpful.